44060 Woodward Avenue, Bloomfield Hills, Michigan. Take a look at this. Well, I think this building is closed. Well, it definitely is closed, but it says keep out on there. We would have been able to ride an Impulse. 3 stories, I'm guessing, because there is a second floor. Well, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to ride it. Uninhabitable. Honestly, I have no idea what that means. So if someone wants to tell me, or I'll just Google it after I'm done with this video, feel free to tell me in the comments anyway. So yeah, there's that building. Can't get in. Well, that's it.